In today's video, we're talking about the #1 metric you need to track in Pinterest for success. Hi, I'm Claire Drake and I'm a Pinterest expert and I help creative entrepreneurs to master Pinterest to grow their businesses. So in the last video, we talked about Pinterest followers and the fact that you don't really need to focus on getting Pinterest followers because there are better metrics to track and better resources of your time by doing this. So in this video, I am letting you in on the metric that you do need to focus on for Pinterest success.
Okay, so we're now over on Pinterest.com and we are in the third section, which is activity from your website. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to keep people on Pinterest. You want people to click through. That you want people to click on your image to go to your website or your blog to read your blog post or watch your video or sign up for something that you're hosting, maybe a webinar or a challenge. The great way of getting people onto your list is offering more value to people. So people can read your blog post and then they can opt in for that little bit of extra content. And that is what I do with all of my posts. So the #1 metric you need to be keeping track of is your top pin impressions. And this is from the last 30 days. I'll just show you mine. You'll see a lot are duplicated. That is mainly because I do various designs for each of my posts. Brand Style Guide is really popular and I get hundreds of subscribers every month through Pinterest. So people click on my image, they go and read the post, and within the post numerous times are options to sign up for the Brand Style Guide template which I offer. And you'll see it's not just that, there are other ones. This is one of my newest ones, how to optimize your Pinterest profile. And that is getting a huge amount of impressions and it's getting a few clicks, but it is relatively new. So if you have looked down as well with other ones, my video tutorial, that's relatively new. That's been out about a month. Ones down here, I mean, this one is already getting impressions and clicks. So the truth about Pinterest followers, and that was released on Thursday, literally the Thursday just gone, and now it's Tuesday. And that is because, let me just click onto it just to show you. Okay, so it's basically because I have added content into the description and I've added the hashtags were also really important. So just to keep in mind what your most popular content is and how you can maximize on that. So you can create more content that's going to be clicked on and that your audience really want. So it's a really good tool, a really good metric, and it is the main metric because it shows you what your audience wants and how you can provide that more and more. I hope that was really helpful, and if you liked it, please do like. If you have any comments, please do let me know, and I'd love for you to subscribe. Okay, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.